Hey, this is Yulia and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be working on enriching your vocabulary. I've picked 10 words that we use in our day-to-day lives. I'm gonna teach you the synonyms to these words so you can sound more advanced when you're taking your English exams. If you're interested in diversifying your vocabulary, then keep on watching this video. So the first word is the word new. How can we say that we have a new iPhone? We can say brand new. We can say the latest iPhone.
Ted, we already have a tree. It's the latest model.
If I made a list for shopping and I send you a new one, I can say I send you the updated version, like the new version of the list. I can also say that the grocery list is up to date, meaning it's new. I added some things to it, so it might be even a whole new thing.
It was so detailed and up to date.
Opposite from new, we have old. How do we say a person is old? We can say a person is senior. We can call a senior person elderly.
Where's your elderly friend?
If we're talking about things or clothes, we can say antique, like very, very old. We can say ancient. We can say worn out. Let's say you have a shirt and it has like holes in it. You can say that your shirt is worn out. The next word we use all the time, and it's the word use. So what are the words to use instead of the word use? Utilize, apply, operate, manipulate. Let's say you have a lipstick and you can say I use it daily, but you can also say I apply it daily, I utilize it daily. It's not the best way to use this word here, like I utilize my lipstick daily, but if you're using something, you can say you utilize something, blah, blah, blah.
Just trying to figure out the best way to utilize everyone's talents.
Another overused word in English is really. There are different synonyms to it depending on the context, but if you say David is really tall, you can say, as a matter of fact, David is tall, like really. You can also say, in fact, David is tall. Instead of saying David is really tall, you can say, in fact, he's tall. If you want to sound cool, you can also say David is tall indeed, like you actually agree on the point. Like someone said David is tall, and you say David is tall indeed, like really.
Now listen carefully because I'm going to make you very rich indeed.
The next word is the word smart. How else do we say that Rebecca is smart? We can say Rebecca is clever. We can say Rebecca is a bright student. You cannot say Rebecca is bright. It's gonna be like, what? But you can say she's a bright student, meaning she has something in here.
Smart. Very smart.
You can also say intelligent. You can also say wise. But wise I would use to like an older generation of people. You can say like a kid is wise. I mean, he kind of is, but not really.
There is a wise old soul within every child.
The next word I think is the most used word in English language, and it's the word and. What else can we say? We can say as well as, in addition to. We can say together with. We can also say also. Let's say you like coffee and croissant. You can say I like my coffee together with croissant. The next word that we use all the time is the word very. I should make another video about this thing because very has so many synonyms. The most popular ones are extremely or extra. Instead of saying very cold, you can say extremely cold. But also you can say it's freezing. But if you want a whole video on very and how to replace it with different phrases and words, let me know in the comments and I'll make a separate video on that one.
And I think you'll find it extremely interesting.
Moving to the next word, and it is the verb to see. How else can we say that we see a bird? We can say that we watch a bird fly by. We can say that we observe the bird fly by. We can also say glimpse. We caught a glimpse of an ocean. But we can also say glance. Glance is like a quick look. You can say, I glanced at my computer. Like I was just like, when I was taking my Duolingo test, I just like, and got disqualified. You glanced.
Okay, guys, not every glance means something, all right?
Another verb here, and it's the verb to say. What else can we say instead of say? So someone said to me, Yulia, let's go to the movies. Someone told me, Yulia, let's go to the movies. Someone spoke to me and suggested that we go to the movies. You can also use words like announce, declare, state, mention. Let's say you talk to your friend Jacob and he said, I like that girl. You can say Jacob mentioned that he liked that girl. So instead of saying say, said all the time, just use these words and then interchange them.
I now declare the academic year begun.
So the next word is the word same. Let's say we have two lipstick. They're literally the same. What words can we use to describe them? First of all, we can call them twins because they are literally twins. We can say they look alike because they literally look alike, but if you open them, they're different colors. You can also say dupe or duplicate, like the copy of this one. Or you can say identical, but they also can call them similar because they're similar, they look similar, they're like same size and stuff like that.
Sisters, Hallie, we're like twins.
So yeah, there are lots of amazing words to use instead of basic words like good, bad and stuff like that. So yeah, if you're stuck at your intermediate level, you should consider using synonyms instead of good, bad, interesting, different, blah blah blah. If you haven't seen my video on synonyms, I'll leave it down here. And this is it for today. If you like this video, you can support me by giving the thumbs up, subscribing to my channel and sharing with your friends because knowledge is power. And I'll see you very soon. Bye!